All right. Good morning. It is 10 o'clock. Thank you for joining us today. All right. We will start the meeting. Good morning. Welcome. It's 20 at 10 with Lighting Systems, a webinar series designed to keep you up to date with the latest innovations in the lighting industry. My name is Marcissuk from Lighting Systems Specification Sales Team. Joining us today, special guest OmniLight's Vice President of Sales, Marcissuk, discussing the latest in LED tape, DMX controls. Please be sure to enter any questions in the chat. We will address them at the end of the presentation. If you would like to schedule a follow-up with Ron, please reach out to your lighting systems representative or click on the 20 at 10 link on our website. And Ron, take it away.
Thank you for the introduction, Marissa. I appreciate it. Today, we're here to talk about you, because at OmniLight, we see our purpose as providing you with the products and services that bring your vision to light. We do this with a project-focused approach, uncompromising quality and performance, custom solutions, and our dedication to collaboration. At OmniLight, we define our partnership of vision and execution as the art of illumination. We're not just selling products, we're offering you the palette to paint with light. We're to help you to push the boundaries of what's possible with lighting design. Let me walk you through the experience of working with OmniLight. Imagine a world where the only limit to your lighting design is your imagination. That's the world we strive to create every day at OmniLight. Our tagline, the art of illumination, isn't just a catchy phrase, it's our guiding principle. We're a partner who understands your vision. We understand that you're looking for more than just a product. You need a partner who understands what you're looking to deliver and were those tailored solutions. Uncompromising quality and performance. Because our engineers develop products with the highest efficacies, the tightest bending in the industry. When you choose OmniLight, you're choosing proven performance that stands the test of time. Full custom capabilities. We're very flexible. We don't believe in a one-size-fits-all solution. Our ability to customize our products means we can meet your exact specifications, no matter how unique your project is. Project-focused approach. Our owner started this company because we're not just suppliers, we're not just manufacturers, we're partners in your vision. From initial ideas to final installation, our experienced team is with you every step of the way to create innovative lighting, because we understand that lighting is more than illumination. It's about creating atmosphere and enhancing your space. Our products give you the tools to add depth and texture to your designs, transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary experiences. Why OmniLight outshines the others? We're a single source manufacturer. Over the last 10 years, we've focused on manufacturing everything within our tolerances. So we're a single binning tolerance. You can ensure that every time you specify or install an OmniLight material, that you're going to have the best quality possible that our engineers and our owners have put their name behind. We show that with only being 1.5 steps on the MacAdam's ellipse. We ensure that our Kelvin temperatures are going to be non-transformational within to the naked eye. We use 2-chip diodes on our Genesis and Cube products. Therefore, we're shouldering more power to push out lumen outputs as high as 1174 lumens a foot and 150 lumens per watt. Pure gold wiring our diodes ensures that you're going to get the best quality product and the longest lasting product for your needs. Ensure that you're not going to have any issues. We use a thicker copper spline. We're using anywhere between 4 ounces and 6 ounces of copper to therefore dissipate the heat and keep our LED products running for a long length of time. Our product quality is unmatched because, as we stated, high efficacies, up to 150 lumens per watt. You don't hear that typically talked about in the ribbon lighting industry. And here's where we show ourselves as a quality and prideful product manufacturer. Tightest biddings in the industry. When our owners and our engineers have worked together, we want to make sure that we're giving you the best quality product with the best Kelvin temperature out there stated. So therefore, when you're speccing our product with any other brands out there, you're going to have unmatched quality. We ensure that our product is going to work when you install it. Why that's so important is we don't want to have failure rates. So we go through a rigorous testing procedure. We look at the quality of the product 3 times and then test it for 20 minutes before it's shipped out the door. All of our customization and fabrication is done in-house in our Chicago factory. All American employees are putting together our products to give you the best quality product out there today. And with that, we guarantee that product for 5 years. So we have our warranty in writing for you with a 50,000 hour life expectancy. Now, we're not just a ribbon company that's out there making ribbon light. We have a variable amount of solutions that are available to you. So we have 24-volt products as far as interior and exterior. We have 120-volt products. So therefore, if you're looking for something of long length, we have a very large palette of product for you on that. We have some specialty application products, high temperature ribbons. So especially being out in the California heat, we have products that can withstand up to 215 Fahrenheit of temperature, but then also our lenses are polycarbonate, so they can withstand up to 212 Fahrenheit of temperature without twisting, cracking, or breaking. Harsh environment products. So therefore, if you're working on cruise ships or yacht ships, if you're working in agricultural, you're working in clean rooms, we have polycarbonate case ribbon that can withstand all those harsh abrasives going up on it. Natatorium rated ribbon. Therefore, if you want to submerge this into a swimming pool, into a pond, into a lake, into a water feature, you can do that with our Natatorium neon product. And then our flexible wall wash, which you're going to see here shortly, is the ability to have an exterior product that can flex around walls, curves, and then wash down or wash up on your feature. We also offer flexible sheet panels, 150 different channels, and 5 different lens options to go along with them. We do build our fixtures in-house, so you can build your own application as far as for our channel, our ribbon, our lenses, and then we'll create that nomenclature for you. We also have pre-built fixtures through our Lumensmith line that you can select through our website. We have a variable amount of power supplies that offer dimming solutions from 0 to 10, ELV, MLV, Dolly, and DMX. And then we have a full control suite, which I like to say is the good, better, best application with our OmniLight controls, our Nicolati, and then our partnership with Pharos. However, we have a couple products that are truly our highlights that stand out for us. And our Genesis 2.0 is our specification grade ribbon. This ribbon is a highlight for us for the fact that we are using our 2-chip set to create our diode. We're pushing 150 lumens per watt up to 1174 lumens per foot, all while being 1.5 steps on MacAdam's ellipse. Our diode ribbon is available in IP65 wet location jacketed. And the unique feature with all of our IP65 ribbons with OmniLight, with the exception of our 120 volt, is that it's field cuttable and can be terminated. That is a feature that I challenge any other manufacturer to match with us. We have multiple Kelvins available in stock in our Chicago factory. So what happens if we don't have a Kelvin that's available that's listed, that's great. That's the flexibility and the project focusing that OmniLight is offering to you, is we can create the Kelvin for you and there's no additional cost. The only caveat that you have is additional lead time, and that right now is approximately 6 weeks. Our diode ribbons are available in static white, static colors, tunable white, RGB, and RGB+. RGB+ is a unique feature for us that allows you to choose the white Kelvin temperature on your RGBW fixture. If you're specifying 3500 Kelvin, you'd sure like to have 3500 on your RGBW, so when the RGB shut off, your white Kelvin matches the rest in the white space. If we have a Kelvin temperature that's unique and you need that made, we can do that also on our RGB ribbon as well too. True fit. How many times have you had to worry about designing a project and you're concerned about the cut lengths? Well, with our True Fit diode imaging free chip on board ribbon, This is the ability to virtually cut the ribbon anywhere, therefore alleviating any of the needs of how long is that length going to be? Do I have to design my space around the light, or can my light now be designed around the space? With diode imaging free ribbon, you never have to worry about pixelization taking place. Therefore, that concern is, if on my high reflective surface, will I see diode imaging? On my artifacts that I'm highlighting in my curio cabinet, am I going to see pixelization? You never have that worry to take place. With our chip on board ribbon, we were the first of the industry approximately 4 years ago with it. We have an expansive collection with it, again, in static white, static colors, tunable white, RGB and RGB plus as well too, available in IP65, all field cuttable and capable of being applied in any type of application. We do have some unique features with this particular product with our micro series. So it's only a 5mm wide ribbon, which looks like you're painting with a fine paintbrush. We have it available in our sauna and high temperature ribbon as well too, which we stated reaching temperatures up to 215 Fahrenheit working conditions. But I need a little bit more flexibility. I need the ability to side bend. I need the ability to top bend. I want to wrap it around a cylinder. This is where our Neon 3 product comes into place. Most of our competitors out there have to worry about, am I specifying top bend? Am I specifying side bend? Can I wrap it around? Can I make it work in this situation? Do I have two different sizes when I want them to marry up? Well, with Neon 3 with OmniLight, you have one product to specify, and that's Neon. The reason why is because with the triple bend application, I can do side bend, top bend, and cylindrical without specifying anything different other than OmniLight Neo 3. It is an IP65 rated ribbon. It is, again, field cuttable, and I keep repeating that to make sure I drive that home with everybody. Here it is, diode imaging free. It's available in static white, static colors, tunable white, RGB, and RGB plus. It is available in our Natatorium series as well, and this is where our wall wash product comes into play. This has been a very popular product for us for exterior applications where you need the flexibility to wrap around a planter. You want to do an exterior facade wash down. And we have our rotational clips, which allows you to mount that product, wash it down, or change any angle that you want within 180 degrees. And last but not least, in our specialty products, we have our 120-volt ribbon. Now, we're not just available in static white diodes. We have it in static white in two different high output and super high output. We have it in chip on board, diode imaging free. We were the first to launch it in RGB and RGB plus. So now you can do exterior applications and long run lengths. That's right, up to 164 feet on a single power input for our 120-volt ribbon. We have 120-volt decoders that allow you to change your colors, to go through a small show of fade-ins and fade-outs. And then we also have this available now in neon. We launched this at Light Design Expo with Lighting Systems, and this has been an absolute attention grabber. Why? Because you have no limitations in terms of your flexibility with RGBW exterior applications. I can go a triple bend with our neon on this. You're going to have the ability up to 133 feet run length on a single 120-volt input. And you now can really have anything that your imagination can design. You can now implement that with our neon exterior application. Dimming capabilities are with ELV and DMX for these particular 120-volt ribbons. They can be hardwired into place, or we can offer them with a plug-in application. But that's not where we stop. And those aren't just all the specialty products that we have. Our True Horizon ribbon, our Cube flexible sheets, the high efficacy industrial. We have our T-grid ceiling fixtures. And last but not least, we're launching our highlight addressable ribbon. Now, you've seen this possibly out in the industry today, where you go to Las Vegas and you see the ribbon that's chasing around, or you've heard about pixel addressable ribbon. And that's where this comes into play. Where we separate ourselves with OmniLight is the ability to match the controls with the functionality of the ribbon. Additionally, we're not just limiting this in one flavor. Our highlight ribbon is available in diode series, in chip on board, in neon, and in flexible sheets. That's right. If you want to mount these flexible sheets to the ceiling or to the wall, and you want to create the American flag or the Canadian flag waving, we can do that. And we do that with our partners within our control solutions. Therefore, we have partnerships with Nickelodeon, which we private label their products. Therefore, it has the OmniLight brand on it. And then we are an authorized partnership with Pharos. For those of you familiar out there, Pharos is one of the world leaders in the DMX controls industry. We are absolutely grateful, appreciative, and excited to be offering them as a partner with us, giving us the ability to implement projects like you see here that have universes up to 193 to control 12,000 linear feet of ribbon. At OmniLight, we understand that you're looking for more than just a product. You need a partner who understands your vision and can deliver tailored solutions. Today, I invite you to explore how OmniLight can exceed your expectations. Let's create stunning spaces together where light isn't just functional, it's an artistic statement. Thank you.
Thank you, Ron. Wonderful presentation. Let's see if we have any chats or any questions here. Looks like we have one. What dimmers do we need to use with your power supplies?
With our power supplies, you have the multifunctional aspects of ELV, MLV, and even 0 to 10 all built in within the power supply. So any manufacturer that uses open protocol dimming, i.e. 2-wire or phase dimming, can be utilized with us. Same goes with our Dolly power supplies. As long as we're using Dolly 2, we'll use type 6 in static white, type 8 in tunable white, or any DMX control solutions. We can use either XLR, we can use Cat 5, Cat 6 inputs, or even 3-wire input on that.
Wonderful. Let's see what else we have. Can we do custom Calvins with your ribbon?
Yes. So as I stated in the presentation, we have a lot of requests. And ironically, lighting systems, you gave us a very unique one where they wanted RGB plus, and the plus was anywhere from, they wanted 2,800 to 6,500 on the custom tunable white. So we were able to create that. We have another project in northern Michigan where they wanted the Yellowstone Lodge effect, and they made the entire house in 1800 Kelvin. They wanted everything a very warm white application. So that is all available with OmniLight. I will say there is a potential restriction depending on the product, that because of the phosphor that goes over top of the chip itself may not be able to create the Kelvin temperature. So we always ask that you reach out to your lighting systems representative to verify that we can make that custom Kelvin temperature for you.
Perfect. Another one, how do we know what controls to use for the addressable ribbon?
That is something that OmniLight will work hand in hand with you on. That is going to be DMX controls on the head end, and then we use SPI decoders to communicate that functionality to the ribbon. But that is the partnership that you get from OmniLight and the hands-on approach that you get from OmniLight as well too. So between OmniLight and the fantastic controls team over at Lighting Systems, we will work together to design the proper solution for you and meet the customer's budget and needs.
All right. Does field trimming ribbon affect the warranty?
It does not, and that's why we're prideful of that application with us. Not only does it not affect the warranty, but it does not affect the UL 65 rating for that ribbon either. Additionally, to put your mind at peace, we provide the sealant and the end capping, so therefore your contractor can make those field applications right on the spot, therefore eliminating any delay within the time of the project getting implemented.
Wonderful. Well, thank you. I know that this is 10:20. If we did not get to your question, we will be sure to reach out to you directly. As mentioned, please feel free to reach out to us at Lighting Systems or connect to that 10:20 on our website. But thank you all for attending today's presentation. Please join us next month, September 11th, as we host Coronet LED to learn more about their new products, such as the beautiful Leilina Cove and the perimeter wall wash lighting system. Thank you all for your time. Have a wonderful week.